High above the quiet world floated Coco, a small, fluffy cloud with big, curious eyes. Coco loved drifting across the sky, exploring new places and meeting other clouds. But sometimes Coco wondered, can a little cloud like me really make a difference? One evening, Coco noticed a sleepy village below, where children were struggling to light their lanterns in the dark. I can help, Coco thought, puffing up proudly. Gently, Coco floated lower, letting tiny, sparkling raindrops fall softly, creating a magical glow over the village lanterns. The children laughed and clapped, running to place their lanterns in the windows. Birds, cats, and even a dog watched in delight as the soft rain made everything shimmer. Coco felt a warm glow inside, realizing that even a small cloud can brighten someone's day. After a while, Coco floated back up, joining the other clouds. The night sky was calm and peaceful, dotted with twinkling stars and shimmering lanterns below. Coco smiled, happy to have helped, and drifted off, dreaming of new adventures, magical raindrops, and the joy of spreading light. Moral: even small actions, like a little cloud's gentle help, can make a big difference.